Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have showed my face. Today we are doing a quick simple look. Nothing glamorous, just enough to let somebody know you entered the room. So basically, if you're quarantined at home and your boo's coming over, or if you're going to go Netflix and chill, just something very simple, still shows your beauty and make sure you look unforgettable. All right, stay tuned. So off camera, I've already applied my face primer, which is the all night face primer. This right here is thebomb.com. I also started concealing my dark spots with the LA Girl Pro concealer. I know it's so old, people talk trash about it, but for me, it works perfectly fine. It's in the shade Pure Beige. That's what I'm working with right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to fill in my eyebrows a little bit with just this random eyebrow pencil I got from the beauty supply store. It's in the color Dark Chocolate. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much cut out my eyebrows or clean them up with my concealer. Once again, LA Girl Pro, and it is the color Creamy Beige. I do apologize if you hear noise. My children are home due to the schools closing for COVID-19, and I do hope that everyone is staying home and being safe. Everyone should take this very seriously. So yeah, stay home. Let the concealer sit a little bit. I like to let it sit, marinate a little bit, and then go in and blend it out. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and start my foundation application with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. My color is Y405, and I'm gonna blend everything out with my little sponge. Going in with my concealer, Creamy Beige from LA Girl Pro. Applying it underneath my under eye. Down the center of my nose. On my forehead. A little at my chin. And that's where we'll stop. I'm gonna blend that out with my sponge. That's my dog, Birdie. I'm gonna let my under eye sit a little bit, just like my eyebrows, and then later I'll blend it all in. So I've already gone in and applied my contour. For contour, I use Black Opal foundation stick. It is in the color Golden Beige. I've applied it underneath my cheekbones, around my chin, underneath my bottom lip, and down my nose. That's pretty much what I do. I don't like it too dark because I always go back in after I set my face and I apply a bronzer. So now that I have let my concealer sit for a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in. So I didn't realize I wasn't recording, my apologies, but I went ahead and blended everything out. from a contour to my highlight, and I'm just gonna go back in with a fluffy brush and just blend it a little bit more underneath my brow bone. It's a little bit too sharp for me. It's like, wow, sis. So I'm gonna clean that up and move to the next step. Okay, so now I'm going in to pretty much set my face with my powder. It is the Buttercup setting powder by Sasha. Sounds about right. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that underneath my eyes, around my chin, also down the bridge of my nose, in the creases of my nose, and my forehead, as well as my eyelids. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off all of the setting powder with my little fluffy brush, and then I'll start moving into my bronzer to bring back some color in my face. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics bronzer. It is in the shade Golden Gal. It's so old, don't judge me. But I'm just gonna take some of that, go underneath my cheekbones, bring it down to my neck, underneath my chin. So next, I'm going to go ahead and apply my NARS blush. It is in the shade Torrid. I like to bring it on my nose as well. And a little bit on my forehead and chin. Okay, I'm gonna go in and go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and let that dry up a little bit. So I went ahead and set my face and I started my eye. Well, I finished one eye and I'm getting ready to start the next one. So you can see I'm gonna go in with a little small fluffy brush, the same one I've been using this whole time, and I'm gonna go in to my bronzer one more time. I'm gonna use my bronzer basically as a base or a transition, whatever you want to call it. I am gonna start from right underneath my brow bone, and I'm going to work it down. With the same brush, I'm going to go into my Zulu palette by, I think it's Juvia's Place. It's the one that looks like this. I am going to go into the brown color. I have hooded eyes as I gotten older. My top lid of my eye have started to fold over. I don't know why, but I have hooded eyes now. I guess it's a part of aging. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of that on my brush, and I am going to apply it where my crease should line up pretty heavily. I want to build it up a little bit. slightly bring it up a little bit because like I said, I do have hooded eyes. Like you can see when I stretch my eyebrows up like this, it looks fine, but as soon as I go like this, it folds right over. I'm old. So also want to bring it in a little bit on the outer corners of my eyelid. Wing it out a bit, not too much, but just a little. Next, I'm going to go onto my my lid with a highlighter. It's actually a highlighter by Becca. It is the Opal. It's this shade. It's very pretty. Normally use it for highlighter, but I'm going to use it for my lid color today. I am going to apply the setting spray to my brush, and it's a flat brush, just so it could be easier for me to carve out the shape that I need. And when you wet your brush, either with the setting spray or water, whichever one you prefer, it does help basically move the shadows or highlighter, whatever you are using, around on your lid easier. So I'm gonna take it a little further up, being that I have hooded iris. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go back into that brown shade from the Zoodle palette, and I'm going to work it back into from the corners of my eyes back in a little bit, as you can see, just to blend it out some. Next, I am simply going to apply my mascara. I'm not wearing lashes today. I'm not applying eyeliner. Sometimes I'm just not with it. The easiest way for me, since I do have, I would say, a pretty good length of eyelashes, is to go in with my mascara and call it a day. I am going to use Maybelline's New York Mega Plush Volume Express. And that is all. I'm not gonna go in with highlighter. I really want to go in with highlighter. You know what? I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. Okay, I really need to eat more than what I've eaten today. Like, I'm getting so lightheaded, and I feel like I want some chicken, like some fried chicken. Haha, black girl wants chicken, but honestly, I just need some chicken, some collard greens, some macaroni and cheese, and some yams, and I will be okay. But I'm not at that place right now. So, anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty, the lip gloss. It is the Gloss Bomb Fenty Glow. Simple, no need to line your lips, any of that. Unfortunately, I probably have a little bit of foundation on my lips, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I'm gonna take down my hair. I am currently rocking my soft locks. Just in case if you haven't noticed, I am a licensed cosmetologist. I do hair, I do makeup. So yeah. So they are extremely long. They are extended, so they are about 36 inches in length. So when I sit down, they're like past my knees, and either way, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my outfit. Nothing fancy, just something to relax in, chill, watch a movie, quarantine all the way. Definitely go and support. It's Wolfcrest. I'll leave all the links below. Black owned business, support. Please support. We have to do better with supporting our black owned businesses, and support me too. I'm technically a business as well, so make sure you look in the description box if you would like any of the t-shirts. And also he offers hoodies, shorts, activewear. He's doing it big, you guys. So make sure you look in the description box. I'll leave a link, as well as follow me on Instagram.